In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to build a meal plan in Notion. We're going to keep this simple and efficient. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use meal planning space that you can tweak to match your routine and food preferences. Notion makes this easy with pre-built templates, so you don't have to design everything from scratch. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main page and ready to go. Keeping Notion open in a desktop browser is great for setup, even if you plan to check your plan later on mobile. Next, click Marketplace. This is where Notion showcases templates made to solve specific tasks. Think of it like a gallery of starting points you can adapt to your needs. It saves a lot of time and helps you begin with a structure that already works. Inside the Marketplace, go to the search bar and enter Year Meal Plan. Press Enter to see all the options. You'll notice different styles, from simple weekly planners to more detailed databases with calendars, tags, and recipe sections. You're not committing yet. This is just exploring. Now, select one that suits the way you like to plan. If you prefer a weekly overview, pick a template with a calendar or a board sorted by days of the week. If you enjoy tracking details like ingredients or nutrition, choose one with properties for those fields. Click into a template to preview its layout and read the description, then pick the one that feels right. Click it, and then click Add. This places the template directly into your workspace so you can start using it as your own. After it's added, you'll see a new page appear with all the sections and example entries included. You can remove sample content later. Once added, feel free to customize your meal plan. Rename the page to something clear like Weekly Meal Plan. Adjust the database properties so they match your style. Add fields for meal type, day of the week, prep time, or notes. Organize your views so planning is effortless. Create a weekly calendar view, a board grouped by breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or a simple table for quick edits. Personalize the look with icons and colors and replace any placeholder items with your actual meals. If the template includes a recipe or grocery section, link your meals to those pages so planning and shopping stay connected. Keep it light at first. Plan 1 week, use it, and then refine the structure based on what you actually need. That's it. Open Notion, head to Marketplace, search for Meal Plan, select a template, add it, and make it yours. Enjoy planning with clarity and consistency.